Hey everyone, attention please, because today I'm going to show you a latest special model from Rog, the Republic of Gamers. And today I bring you here is the Rog6 Batman Edition gaming phone. So here is what's inside these books and is all the stuff inside the books. And actually this box is not it's a normal box. As we can see, it's a special design. And first, from the shape, is a Batman shaped and Batman's patterns designed case. And also for the material is very light and soft. It used I think environment friendly materials. Is a soft foam. And actually the box design is like a steel case here. When we lock it, when we lock the buckles, if you like suitcase, we can take it easily. And next, let's go to the stuff and the smartphone accessories. So from left to right, and I'm going to show you here. It's the 65-watt Batman charger, Rog charger. Yeah, it's a charger with the Rog logo here. And here is the hard plastic material case. Can fit the smartphone very well. And here is the one of the unique thing is the Batman style, the Batman patent SIM card ejector. Yes, let's try to get it here. It's so good material and so good design. DC here, because the Batman IP is black to DC. So here's the DC. Here's a smartphone. We'll check smartphone. Talk about smartphone at the end. And here is the cable. It's not like the silicone or plastic material cable, but it's have a I will say carbon fiber material cable, Type C to Type C cable. And this time they provide a big battery, 6,000 batteries. And here is another special gadget inside this box. They provide as a free gift is the Batman signal lamp. Here, first when I record the video, you will find it here. It's a Batman patent light here, and I switch here to get different switch from bat to Batman. So there's a signal lamp of Batman. And here, last thing is about the smartphone. Whoa, get it out. Wow. Here, wake up screen. Okay. Get the whoa. Here, the back panel is sand polishing material and glass back panel, and we can find the Batman name and the Rock name in front of the back panel. And also this time for the camera part is have a 50 megapixel main camera and 30 megapixel wide angle and 5 megapixel macro lens dual LED flashlight. And for this time they use the IMX766. It's one of the best Sony's flagship chips for the camera part here. And also for front one, they don't use the fashionable water drop or punch hole camera, but use the traditional camera here. So these have a wider bezel and chain, and the front camera is 60 megapixel. And also here, when we lock the screen and we wake up in Batman animation, unlock it, Batman wallpaper, and also we can go to the settings to check the more information about the smartphone. So here we get the processor information. Instead of use the MediaTek, the Dimensity 9000 processor is a 4 nanometers processor. It's also one of the best processors for MediaTek. It supports maximum to 3.2 GHz. The RAM and ROM is 12 plus 256. It supports LPDDR5X and UFS 3.4.0. And for the GPU, it's a Mali G710 GPU, 710 CPU. It's also one of the best GPU in the market you can find. And also for the screen, it's have a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen. It support HDR10 plus. And it support 165 refresh rate, and it supports 720 touching rate. And we can get the information here. Yes, we can adjust it, the refresh rate. This is very nice for the gamers to adjust it and get good gaming performance. Yes, as for the battery, it's have 6,000 batteries and 65 watt fast charger for this device. And also next and last, I'm going to talk on the game part. And this time for the game, first is have the Rog6 here. There are the virtual buttons here. It means they update it, and you can press it and you can adjust the angles and get different control command to control it. Again, so this is pretty cool. And also for the gamer, is have another here Type-C charging dock here. This is for the, and this one, the bottom one is for charging, and this one is for the customized for gaming, like the air cooling phones or some other accessories, customized accessories for this part. And also here, this part RGB light. And okay, this is for the Rog6. And also for the system, you can get here the controller and the game library instructions here. You can adjust it. Dashboard, you get the temperature information and the screen refresh information, and you can choose X mode, dynamic mode, ultra durable mode to get easily setting the mode you like. And also here, lighting, effort, aero active coolers, a lot of game settings here. And also here, if you want to know more how to set up it, you can go to the Rog6 tips, trigger, aero-active cooler, gaming recording, recital systems, pulse charging. So this is for the gaming. And also the other features, like here, the 3.5mm headphone jack are left kept, and also I will say the size of the phone is not so big, and the weight is also acceptable for such a high performance and good quality, good material gaming smartphones. Yeah, the weight is only 239 grams. The dimensions is like the length is 173 and width is 77 and depth is 10.4 mm. So actually it's very acceptable for such a good quality device, and you can hold it on your hand for a long time gaming. play. So okay, so this is a very fast and quick introduction video about these special edition phones from the box design, the element, the use of the Batman from the Batman DC, and also the specifications and the features about these two devices. Actually, it's so unique devices. If you are DC fans and if you really like the Rog device, Rog the Asus product, you can actually choose this and use this as your maybe your backup smartphones or your gaming phone first choice gaming phones. And also, if you don't like games, maybe you can buy it and keep it. Maybe okay, it will because it's limited edition, so you can keep it. And okay, you are fans of this is when you watch it, you will feel so happy. So maybe okay, there are many reasons to buy these phones. That's why I got one and why I buy one. So let me know your ideas or your comments on these such a unique devices. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.